Imagine driving along and suddenly something surprising happens. It could be a beautiful sunset or an unexpected traffic event. In moments like these, having a trustworthy witness is essential. That's where 4K dash cams come in. They record every detail with clear precision. These handy devices have evolved a lot since they first appeared, making a big impact on the market. The demand for better quality footage and more accurate recordings drove the popularity of 4K dash cams, providing a sharper resolution and a more detailed view. I have listed 5 best 4K dash cams for 2024, each equipped with features that make them stand out in the crowd. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. Let's explore. Number 5. Viofo A229 Pro 3. Looking for a dash cam with best features? This is my top pick for its impressive 4K recording capabilities. It features a 3-channel setup with Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, ensuring clear and detailed footage in various scenarios. One standout feature is the HDR technology across all 3 channels, enhancing details and ensuring precise license plate recognition day and night. The upgraded infrared cabin recording captures the interior clearly, even in complete darkness. What sets it apart is the hands-free voice control with 12 commands, making it easy to manage without distractions. The 3 parking modes offer 24/7 protection, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures faster connectivity for easy configuration and sharing via the Viofo app. Plus, the anti-glare CPL and ultra-precise GPS logger add extra value, enhancing image quality and providing accurate location and timestamp data. Number 4. Red Tiger F7N+. I recommend this 4K dash cam for best value. This is equipped with 4K plus 1080p dual recording, capturing crucial details like road signs and vehicle plates. The front wide angle of 170 degrees and rear wide angle of 140 degrees minimize blind spots, aiding in unexpected situations like collisions. For superior night vision, the dash cam features an f1.5 aperture lens with HDR and WDR technology, ensuring clear footage in low light conditions. Easily control the device through Wi-Fi and the Red Tiger app on iOS or Android, allowing for video playback, management, and even editing. The built-in GPS records driving routes, real-time speed, and location. Access this information on Google Maps through Wi-Fi or with the Windows and Mac GPS Player app. In case of accidents, reliable features like loop recording and a G-sensor ensure continuous recording and save collision videos. Backed by a 12-month warranty and 24/7 technical support, Red Tiger provides a reliable and feature-packed dash cam for everyday use. Number 3. Vantru N4 Pro 3. Looking for a reliable 4K dash cam? Well, my top pick is Vantru product. It uses the latest 2023 Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, delivering crisp 4K resolution for front, interior, and rear views. Perfect for family trips or rideshare drivers. With 4K HDR and super night vision, this dash cam ensures clear recordings day or night. Plus, it supports OTA firmware updates for improved performance. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you easily access recordings through the Vantru app, and built-in GPS adds a useful layer of information. You can customize recording modes from 4K plus 1080p to front and inside views. The 360-degree rotating rear camera captures the full picture, even in the trunk or cabin. The 24/7 parking modes offer continuous protection, and the G-sensor instantly locks and saves videos in case of a collision. Hands-free voice control adds a convenient touch, and an optional anti-glare CPL enhances video quality in bright conditions. Easy to install with an 18-month warranty, it is a solid choice for those seeking a dependable 4K dash cam. Number 2. 70 May True 4K. It's the best budget option for a 4K dash cam. With its dual camera setup, the A800S and RC06 rear camera capture both the front and rear views effortlessly. Installing the rear camera is a breeze, no hassle with cables or ports. The A800S excels in low light conditions thanks to its powerful night vision capabilities and 3D DNR technology. It ensures a clear recording day or night. Plus, the 24-hour parking surveillance with G-sensor activation provides crucial evidence in case of unexpected incidents. This dash cam goes beyond recording. It features an advanced driving assistance system with real-time voice alerts for enhanced safety. Lane departure warnings and collision prevention add an extra layer of security to your driving experience. With built-in GPS, the A800S monitors and displays real-time trip data. The in-app control allows easy video access and sharing, streamlining the claims process with your insurance provider. The seamless loop recording ensures continuous coverage, overwriting old videos when the SD card is full. A practical, feature-packed choice for your car. Number 1. Rover 2 4K Pro. And here is the best overall 4K dash cam. It's a feature-packed device with 4K UHD recording at 2160p and 30 frames per second, or 2.5K at 60 frames per second. Connect your smartphone with advanced 5G Wi-Fi. Easily view and share videos through the Rove Dash Cam app. The built-in GPS records real-time speed and compass information on videos. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, this dashboard camera boasts a supercapacitor for extended life voice guidance, f1.5 aperture, time-lapse video, 150 degrees wide-angle lens, emergency video lock, and supports up to a 512 GB micro SD card. The 24/7 custom-designed parking mode offers 3 options: 1 frames per second time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 100% USA Chicago-based customer care, this 4K dash cam ensures a hassle-free experience. As we finish exploring the best 4K dash cams of 2024, remember that having a high-quality dash cam is not just a fancy extra, it's essential for your safety and peace of mind. These top picks are here to make sure you get both. Ready to upgrade your ride with the latest tech? Check out the links in the description for the most current prices. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drivers, and hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Stay tuned for more of the latest content, tips, and reviews, because your road adventures deserve the very best.